Hi friends, today we will learn how to create a stream order of a river in any catchment. In my previous video, I have shown how to create a watershed of any point in a river or a nala. You can also check in my description link to learn how to create a watershed of any point in a nala or a river. So, in my previous video, I have created this watershed. This is the polygon. Now, we will use this is the flow accumulation raster. As you can see, this is the river streams. Now we will go to the arc toolbox. Then we will go raster calculator, map algebra, then raster calculator. In raster calculator, we will use flow accumulation. Flow accumulation greater than 500. It means 500 if the flow accumulation having the 500 pixels will create a stream, then it will result will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. You can check, here is 0, otherwise 1. 1 is the stream having pixel value is in pink value having less than 500 pixels, which is not creating stream, but greater than 500 creating stream. So your stream is created. Okay, now this is the raster. We will find the stream order. Raster flow direction. Okay, and here is two method, Stellar and Sreeve. Stellar is very good for to identify the stream. In this you can see in Sreeve method, one stream is created as a stream order 1. As you can see in downstream, as you can see one stream order, it will convert it into 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, then 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. It goes increasing. And in stellar, one tributary is not converted in 1 1 is equals to 2, but 2 plus 1 is not equals to 2, because this stream is of stream order 2. In stellar method, this is better than stream method, because ordering of stream is very good in stellar method. So we will click OK. As you can see, your stream order is created. This is your streams having the different order number. As you can see, 7 is the highest stream order. This is the river. Black is the tributaries of a particular nala or a river. This is the nala of stream order 2, which is joining the stream order of 7. This is the stream order is now created. Now we will convert this raster to polyline, stream to feature. As you can see, your stream is created. To polyline. Now we will check the open attribute table. As in grid code, this is the stream order. Okay, this is the stream order. we will go to the properties. In symbology, we will categorize as a stream order, grid code, and add all values. Click on apply. As you can see, I will make wider for stream having higher order. This is the main river, and this is the main tributary. I will make it as a 3. This is the tributaries, main tributaries of river. This is the main tributary. These two tributary join to main river. Okay. You can also delete the lower streams. Go to the properties and remove up to 3 streams you can show. As you can see, only 3 streams, 5, 6 and 7 order is showing in this frame. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe, and